Hello, this is your girl pvssology, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you click that notification button so you know exactly when I'm uploading new content. I'm on VU today, and I'm going to teach you guys how to make male tie-dye shorts. So the shorts is kind of plain, but that's fine because we're gonna hook these up. Okay, so you're gonna need to have your GIMP open up, and you're gonna have to have Google opened up. I'm gonna show you guys who I derived from. Okay, so I derive from Clean DRV. I usually derive from them. Or I do Manila. I derive from a bunch of people, but Clean DRV is really good for guy stuff. As you can see up here, you have more options to derive from if you choose to. This only comes with one texture, which is very simple and easy. If you scroll down, the product ID number is below, or you can click derive from product, which is much faster for a lot of people, but either way it doesn't matter. Alright, let's go into Google to see some textures. So I typed in tie-dye textures and this is what came up. So there's plenty of textures you can look at to get an idea. You got very colorful ones and you got ones that are not so colorful, but they're pretty much all nice. You have a huge selection to choose from. I picked the more simple colors for men because I notice when I do colorful things for men, those are the things that they do not buy. So I want my stuff to be, popular, and I want my stuff to eventually be on first page, so I want everyone to like it. And in order for that to happen, I have to do colors that a lot of people like. Usually reds and blues are like the main go-to ones, and blacks. But yeah. Alright, so let's go into GIMP and get started. So this is what it looks like in GIMP. I made sure it was opened up already. It's much quicker that way anyway. Okay, so what I'm going to do is recolor the shorts. So I'm going to go to Hue Chroma. There. Now I'm going to right click, new layer. Okay. Now I have a bunch of tie-dye textures already downloaded. I don't know which one I'm going to choose yet, so we'll see what looks the best. File, open as layer. That one's not bad. This one is similar looking. This one I actually like. To be honest with you, I like all these. I think I'm going to go with this one. Now I'm going to layer, scale it. 50 over 550. Okay, that's not bad. Now I want to see what it looks like. So I'm going to layer, merge down. .7 layer, merge down, and now I'm going to go to filters, enhance, sharpen. And I'm going to say okay. I'm going to file, overwrite the shorts, export. Now I'm going to go into VU to see what it looks like. Alright, I'm in VU. Click on edit. and apply changes. Okay, so they're not that bad looking. They're not bad at all, actually. These are really nice. I really like these. These are not bad. But I do kind of want more of the tie-dye look. This is tie-dye, but it's not as, you know, the texture is good, but it's just, I feel like I need more. So I'm going to pick a different tie-dye. So let's go back. We're back in GIMP, and I'm going to undo everything. Undo, 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 and undo. Now I'm going to pick a different texture. So I'm going to go File, Open as Layer. You know what? I'm going to try this one. It's just giving me more. So what I'm going to do here, I don't need to actually resize this, but I am going to double this up. So right here, I'm going to right click, duplicate layer, and just move it over. So it's perfectly aligned, or almost perfectly aligned. Now I'm going to click merge down. So it looks like it's just one. It doesn't look like two separate pieces. And now I'm going to go merge down again, and then I'm going to play with the opacity. Oh, that looks so much better. Oh yeah. 18.4 is what I'm going to go for, and I'm going to click merge down. Then I'm going to go filters, enhance, sharpen. That looks good. Oh yeah, that looks really good. And I'm going to click OK. And I'm going to overwrite this. Now let's go into VU to see what it looks like. We're back in VU, and since I changed the texture, let's see what it looks like. Apply changes. Yes, now this is what I'm talking about. This is looking like the shorts that I like. These are really nice. I like these. And look at how it looks front and back. Dude, don't look half bad. Okay. He looks like he's about to go to the pool or the basketball court. But I actually like these. I like these. It gives you more texture anyway. Like, look at that. You can't go wrong with tie-dye. I love tie-dye. But make sure you guys like and subscribe. Click that notification button so you know exactly when I'm uploading new content. Please, if you want to comment down below, feel free to. If you have any questions, please ask. I get to people really quickly. And thank you guys for supporting the channel. And I hope to see you next time for the next video.